So there's not many micro SD cards I actually trust anymore. I kind of stay away from most of them because, in all honesty, other than the fake, crazy ones on eBay, they're super cheap, which we all know are just scams and they're just lower capacities than they list. Most micro SD card companies really just are weird. And they either fail too quickly, their read and write speed isn't what is advertised. It's just a absolute mess. So the only ones I personally go for is usually Lexstar, PNY, and SanDisk. Those are my top three personally. But as you see here, ONN, which you don't know what ONN is, it's the in-name brand for Walmart. So a lot of times, a lot of different places, Wegmans does the same concept or Giant. What they do is they take a product that maybe is a smaller company and they rebrand that product with their in-house name. Amazon does it with Amazon Basics, and it's just a way to get that product out there. Usually the company ONN would be Walmart. Walmart would buy this for cheap and then they'll sell it for a decently affordable price usually. And that's just kind of how the whole market works. Again, you see this all the time. No matter what grocery store you go to, every grocery store has their own in-house brand. Walmart is no different. So ONN I probably wouldn't have personally bought myself, but as it says here, my ONN card is no longer recognized by my Switch 2. But when I gathered a concert firmware update hosed it, time for a warranty replacement. Now, this is not only happening with ONN. This has also happened with the company that I personally like and go with, and that is Lexstar. So the first comment, someone said, I bought one of the Lexstar 1TB cards that Amazon swore worked, and it did work last June, July. I updated my Switch firmware just before Pocopia release, and it decided after the update the card would no longer be compatible. So again, apparently this is also something that happened with Lexstar. Now, the thing about micro SD cards, they are so finicky and they fail all the time and they have issues here and there, and then next thing you know, bam, GG. So I don't know if I would 100% write off a company because of that. But it does seem like, based on this report and this report, that it's something to do with the update. The update is, for some reason, if you update your console, there's a chance that these micro SD card, express SD cards, could fail or have some serious issues. Again, keep in mind, these are the new express cards. So, in the past, we've had regular micro SD cards with the Switch 1 and other devices. Haven't really heard anything like this happen. These are the express cards, so maybe that's why something's happening. Now, of course, this person right here, Larry, does say it just happened to them. And then this person, Phil, said it happened last June and July. So we have it's not like just one said firmware or one said update. But it is something to take in consideration when you are buying these cards. And also, if you don't do so already, a really cool feature of Nintendo Switch Online, I know it's expensive, is Cloud Save. And Cloud Save is definitely a huge W in situations like this where, yeah, there might be an issue for that said reason. So going down here, I haven't seen any other one, certain, certain brand has had an issue. But in reality, any micro SD card can have an issue. It's not just one brand. But I haven't really seen much issues with not Samsung. Samsung I haven't actually tried. But SanDisk, Lexstar, this is the only issue I've seen with Lexstar. And then PNY. PNY is an American company. It's just a little side note. If you don't know what PNY is, they make GPUs. They make pretty much everything. So yeah. The reason why I mentioned it's an American company, because if you live in America, you're going to be able to... it's easier to get a RMA done with them. And I just know this personally from GPUs. PMY is very easy. I think they are stationed out of San Diego, I want to say. And they're very easy. San Diego or New York? I know it's opposite side of the country. It's one of the two, San Diego or New York. But yeah, so anyway, across the board, SanDisk is probably the best bet, but they're going to be very expensive. So it is also, I guess, a philosophy of like you get what you pay for. If you go for a cheaper brand, then maybe you're going to, get a cheaper product. But that's what I hate about these. Like, there's so many different brands. There's so many different brands of SD card. And it gets to a point where it's like you have to kind of weave through which ones are good, which ones are bad. Again, like I said, 1 terabyte PNY, I've not had any issues with PNY. Doesn't mean they won't have issues, right? I haven't tried Samsung yet either. But these aren't Express. These ones are not Express. So the Express are more expensive, and these are already expensive. So a 512 from SanDisk is $150. So, take that for what you want. And again, you also, when you buy one of these, you also want to make sure, not only does it say Express, also check on the actual thing to say, like, does it work with a Switch 2? Sometimes these companies will actually put them in there that it works with the Switch 2. Like right here, works with a Switch 2. See? Works with Switch 2. So make sure it does. And also don't fall for this. The Extreme is not an Express card. People fall for this all the time. They see Extreme and they think that's an Express card. It's not. So just keep that in mind. If you see Extreme, it's not going to work with Switch 2. So it is what it is, but micro SD cards are micro SD cards. So a lot of times when they fail, I don't really look at it as like, oh, that's a brand problem. It's usually like, okay, well, that's kind of SD cards for you. Let's go to micro SDs. But with the new ROG Asus Ally, okay, hold up. ROG Xbox Ally X, that bad boy is going to be using micro Express cards, just like the Switch 2. And the big thing with that is you can play games from the actual SD card, where with the Xbox Ally, which I'm running right now at this moment in time, you can't. So we'll see how that all shakes out in the end. But tell me down below your thoughts, opinions. See you guys next one. Peace out.